Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be the long-awaited annual fall room decor on my channel. If you know, I am a huge obsessed fan of fall, all things fall, and obviously I keep fall things in my room all year round, and I've kind of put stuff out already a little bit without filming it. So I'll show you those things, and also I'm not going to do as much this year, no DIYs or anything like that, just basically just stuff that I found. Actually, a lot of the stuff that I am going to be using is stuff from previous years that I'm just like reusing for decor, because I haven't really been shopping that much, and I was trying to get a Home Goods a couple of days ago and it did not happen. So this is what you're gonna get for this year's version of fall. I did get a few new things. A lot of it is old, but a few new things. So without further ado, let's begin this video. Okay. On a new camera, might I add. Okay, so do not mind my Sonic cup. So this area I'm thinking of switching out with that little thing and then putting something else right there. Okay, so I'm going to kind of update you guys. I don't know, you probably have seen it. Oh, I'm really close. You probably have seen what I've done. So I have this thing. I'm not too sure how I like it. I don't know. It's kind of bland. I feel like it needs something. I might add some of those like leaves or maybe like lights around here. And then I did like a little something right here, which I'm not too sure about. I don't know. I'm kind of figuring it out as I go. I'm thinking of getting rid of this. I did have some little lights that look like acorns at one point, but I have zero clue where they are, so we're just going to do the bats and the pumpkins this year. Okay, so I got the stuff hung up and everything. I have this cup that says witch's brew on it, and it has like a cute little witch, and I just stuffed some like tissue at the bottom to level it more, and so it looks like it's overflowing with cute little pumpkins. So there's a little DIY hack. It's very interesting that I said I wasn't going to do any DIYs and I just did one. So okay, so I don't know if you can see it. You can kind of see it in the camera, but I hung it in between there. And then I think I'm just going to kind of throw a little bit of pumpkins different places and some leaves. And then we will change up the look of the bed. And then I'll be basically done with everything.